Hey there. Today I'm going to help you master the pronunciation of the letter L in English. Whether you're just starting to learn English or looking to perfect your pronunciation, this guide is for you. First things first, let's talk about how to position your tongue. To pronounce the letter L, you need to place the tip of your tongue against the back of your upper front teeth. Make sure your tongue is relaxed and not too tense. Now, try to make the sound lol. Feel that? Your tongue should be touching the roof of your mouth just behind your teeth. Let's practice with some simple words. Start with light. Notice how your tongue touches the roof of your mouth at the beginning of the word. Now try love. Did you feel that same tongue placement? Great! Another important tip is to ensure that the sound is clear and not swallowed. For example, in the word lemon, you want to make sure the L sound is distinct and not blended with the following vowel. Try saying lemon. Good job. Here are a few more words to practice. Lake, laptop, lion, and leaf. Take your time with each word and focus on that initial L sound. Now let's move on to L sounds in the middle and end of words. For instance, in bottle, the L sound is at the end. Make sure your tongue touches the roof of your mouth when you say it. Try it out, bottle. Great. In the middle of words like yellow, the L sound can sometimes be trickier. Practice saying yellow slowly, focusing on the L sound in the middle. Awesome! One more thing to watch out for is making sure your L sounds don't turn into R sounds. For example, light should not sound like right. Practice these pairs to see the difference. Light and right. Love and rove. Hear the difference? All right, let's do a quick recap. To pronounce the letter L correctly, place the tip of your tongue against the back of your upper front teeth. Make sure the sound is clear. And practice with different words and positions in those words. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English pronunciation tips. See you next time.